Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch and iPhone are charged, Bluetooth is on, and they're nearby. Once done, verify you can sign into your Apple ID on a secondary device or browser. This prevents delays when reauthorizing the watch. If you've truly forgotten the iPhone passcode, begin iPhone recovery now. You'll need a clean restore or iCloud reset to remove the lock. Make sure Find My is enabled on the account before moving forward. You will now erase and repair. On the watch, go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content in Settings, or use the Watch app to remove the device. Once the watch is erased, sign in to your Apple ID on the iPhone if you haven't already. This establishes trust. Then open the Watch app, tap Start Pairing, position the watch in the camera viewfinder, and select Restore from Backup or Set up as New. This reestablishes the secure link while retaining your data if you used backup. Finish by following on-screen prompts. Enter your Apple ID password and any two-factor code, confirm settings like Siri and location, and allow the watch to sync. Once synced, check health and notification settings to make sure data is incoming. If you chose Restore from Backup, wait for apps and media to re-download. If pairing fails, reboot both devices and try again. If the iPhone remains inaccessible, perform a wired restore via a computer. Then repeat the pairing process to resolve persistent lockout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.